Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question 29. Question 30 says, a function of money makes division of labor possible. Is it A, unit of account, B, medium of exchange, C, store of value, D, standard of deferred payments? So money can serve as a medium of exchange through which people can exchange goods and services. It can be used to buy different variety of goods and services. This facilitates the means of exchange. So option B is the correct answer, medium of exchange. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.